how to sign your PDF online for free. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily sign the PDF for free. So first things, you simply need to open any of your browser and come to this website called ilovepdf.com/sign PDF. So once you come over here, all you want to do is simply select the PDF of your choice like this. Let me just select any one of your PDF from over here, and you will get the option called who you want to sign. Let's, for in this example, it will only be me who will sign this example. Let's say my name. If you want the sign of your name, simply click on your name, and you can also choose the style of your sign like this over here. And you can also use your letters, initials only of your name. So I like this one, for example, and simply click on apply like this. You can also choose the color option from there, and once you click on it, and for example, and as you can see, once you simply click on this icon over here, your registered sign will appear here, and you can adjust it for wherever you want. Let's say I want it here, and just like this, you can simply clone it like this. You can simply again click on it, and it will another sign will appear like this, and you can simply clone this, and just like that you can add it to the another page as well. To add it to another page, you just simply have to move your cursor page from one page to another and simply click on add over here, and you can simply adjust it, readjust it again like this. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.